Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we've got an unboxing to do today. Hey y'all, it's Steph, and oh my goodness, I got my bag of the day propping up my telephone to do us a quick unboxing on the Valentinos that came in. And I forgot what else I ordered with the Valentinos because I'm so excited about the Valentinos. And I'm happy to have my mom visiting. And so here with my boyfriend. And yeah, so while they're having a good little chit chat and enjoying themselves over watermelon, I'm gonna do the unboxing on the Valentinos. So I've been wanting these shoes, God knows, forever. Finally got a good deal on them. Oh, ooh, the boots, yes. Okay, and I got a pair of red Valentino boots. So we'll unbox those here in just a minute. I believe I got these from Saks. I'll have to check and make no, YOOX, excuse me, which is Net-a-Porter. Or owned by the same company or what have, what not. And these are just going to be, I know, gorgeous. Beautiful dust bag, the red Valentino box we all love so much, and let's get to the shoes, okay? Here we go. Oh my goodness. Just beautifully wrapped. And ta-da! Oh, how beautiful. Just beautiful. And after seeing them, I know exactly the bag, the Valentino bag I'm going to purchase to go with these. And so I have to do an unboxing for those, for that later on. But it's the rose petals, and they're just beautiful. They really are just beautiful. They had the up-tip shoes, Valentino Garavani 03 on the back. I'm not sure which collection that these shoes came out with. And of course, it has Valentino Garavani on the Garavani on the inside of the shoe, and I'm not real happy with the way that they got them laced. So I will relace those shoes and try those on later on. It's got the diamond bottom. Or the rock stud bottom there. And yes, guys, I am so excited about these shoes. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting forever, ever, because they were just like, you know, I love my handbags, I love my luxury goods, but that much for a pair of shoes to walk on these parking lots was not my idea of a good thing. You know, I got what's called my red carpet sneakers that I wear in the nicer casinos, in resorts. But I wouldn't dream of wearing them in a parking lot here in town. So, and these are definitely gonna be what I call my red carpet tennis shoes. Uh, but yeah, that lacing is gonna need some help. I'm not really particularly excited about that. I think that the shoe will look a lot better with more normal lacing, as you can see here at the bottom. And this is gonna end up covering up my Garavani. Not happy with that. It's got a little security tag there. And I will have to try them out here in a moment. And all of this may take too long and be too much to fool with. I don't want to have to edit my video, but we'll see what we can do with it. Gosh, I'm never going to remember how to lace these things. Okay. If I have to. And the lacing is running through the flowers. In case you're wondering. But yeah, we had to take some of the lacing out to get it good. Good look at the sneaker as a sneaker. So, and I know my toes are terrible and everything, so I'm gonna try these on. Just the quality of these shoes are just amazing. And these are 37 and a half. I'm hoping it works. Let's see. My goodness. Like a glove. Like a glove. And oh my lords. And these are definitely different. Definitely out there. Type sneaker. They're definitely gonna get some attention wherever I go, you know. But yes, oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. I can see this white top, a pair of white capris, and the Valentinos. And the bag that I've got in mind that is definitely getting purchased after this video today. And I love these shoes every bit as much as I knew that I would. Oh, y'all, oh my gosh, it's my dream shoe. It is my dream shoe. I hope you guys can see this thing really well. Just adorable. Adorable. Wow. That is really, really cute. And I knew that they would look cuter than what they did in the picture and everything, and people with pictures, the way that it was and the way they were laced and everything. I knew that people were gonna be like, Ooh. But no, y'all, these are really cute. They are really cute. Okay? Really, really cute. So, and really, really well made. Oh my gosh. Yes, these are the real deal. This is, I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love, love, love them. So, and that's those. And I am losing daylight, so let me get to the boots real quick. And just hoping and praying that you guys can see all this. Goodness. And that is the Valentinos. And here comes the boots. The Valentino red boots. And these are originally about $1,000 or a little more than 1,000. And I did get these boots from YOX for, I believe, about $250, $225, something like that. And I'll list the link for that below. Well, that's not very well packed, but yeah, hey, we'll go. Red V boots bag. And the boots. Squashing up. Okay. And I'm not really wild about that color. It says gold, but honey, that's not gold. That's not even really bronze. It's kind of an orange. So yeah, and they're a little scuffed up right there, and so I'm gonna be honest. These are definitely going back. These are not my jam. So there's no need in even trying them on. They are beautiful boots. But yeah, and I may change my mind, but I'm not even gonna try these on, guys. There is a beautiful leather lining on the inside of the boot. There is a tiny scuff there where they were mailed. I'm sure that's what it was, but still, that besides the fact that their color is way off for me or my taste, I'm gonna have to say a no to these. And I hate that. There's very few things that I unbox that I say no to. But yeah, these are definitely, even though they're beautifully made, it's just not the colorway for me. So it's back to the boot board. And it's time to do that. So wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. They're impromptu. And I get a little something, one jackpot at a time. Love you guys.